most beautiful, you know, the word I have ever seen inside JNU. You see that how the nature is flourished here. These are two, pairs. I forget the name of this word. The song of this word is so beautiful that you can mesmerize wherever you are. By the way, you see how the nature is so beautiful. These are love to live inside the trees. They create a hole inside the tree and try to live inside. So that's the beauty inside the JNU. Hello. And extra decoration is not necessary because nature itself decorated. They are just gonna play the hide and seek with me. They are pretty smart, they are pretty sensitive. They love nature, they love to live near the people, and this pair is just playing on the tree. The red. Oh, this is breeding season, this is the breeding season of these birds. That's why they are very close to each other. Clean their beak, and the beak of these birds are very sharp. They can create a hole inside the tree. By the way, this is other side. Ducks are doing rest.